Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this awesome braid wig hat. I have two different styles, the beanie and a baseball cap. So these are the things that I'm going to be using: a pair of scissors, my beanie, my thread and needle, and 2 packs of crochet braiding hair. This is in the color 1B30, I believe. This is very pretty brown ombre color. This is pretty easy to do. I'm just going to be sewing the braids onto the cap. But now I'm just taking out my hair, and check this color, you guys. This color is so freaking pretty. So pretty. I'm not going to be talking too long on this video. Just sit back, relax, and watch as I sew these braids on this cap. This style is so easy and so convenient for like when you just run into the store or something, or you in between hairstyles and you just want to give your hair a break. Just throw on this good braid hat and go out the door. So it's pretty simple. I'm just braiding the crochet braids and I'm securing it in 3 places. So I just do 2 stitches and then a knot on one side, and then I do it in the middle, 2 stitches and a knot on the other side, and then the same on the 3rd side, and then I cut it. So before you make it, you want to measure it out to see where you want the braids to begin and where you want it to end, like that. And also you want to do each crochet braid individually. You don't want to connect it so that it's just, you know, one long stitch, because that can affect the elasticity of the hat. And you just want to make sure that everything is able to stretch and move so that it can fit your head. So that's basically it. Yeah, so just keep watching. And at the end, I actually just fill it in a little bit. But 2 crochet braids are pretty much enough for me. If you'd like thicker, you can always add more braids to it. So this is basically a prototype that I'll be testing out to making sure that it's secure and to see if I need to make any adjustments. I will be fine-tuning it to make it more professional and things like that. But once everything's all set, I will be adding these to my site, www.theglowkeys.com. It's like a one-stop shop for your rest and relaxation needs. You know, I carry bath butters, body scrubs, body oils, all that good fun stuff that will totally just have your skin so soft and amazing. And it carves out a little piece of heaven for you of rest and relaxation that we all need around this time. So check me out. Also follow my Instagram page at The Glow Keys, and follow my personal page at I Can Only Be G on Instagram. All right, you guys, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Let me know down below if you guys are going to be trying this cool hat out. Is this something that you will rock and add to your arsenal? I love it. But anyway, until next time, you guys, I hope everyone is doing well, enjoying their, staying safe. You know, keep your hands washed and all that good stuff, you guys. Be safe. Until next time. All right, peace.
time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps telling me that everything's gonna be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, it was meant for me, so that means we